Okay.
All right, everybody. So it's Trish Yole, and I'm standing here with Mr. Ken Phillips. So Ken, where are we today? What's going on?
Well, Trish, we're in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we're here to talk about predictive learning analytics and how we can actually predict at the end of a learning program which learners were most as well as least likely to apply what they learned in the program and be able to then use that information to target reinforcement activities for those people who are least likely to apply what they've learned.
And so why does that matter, Ken? I mean, there's kind of a buzz term that's going around. I think CEB came up with scrap learning.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what this is intended to manage, is the whole idea of scrap learning so that organizations aren't wasting time and money investing in learners who never apply what they've learned back on the job. So it's a way to manage that scrap learning figure that and number that the knowledge advisors and the CEB white paper reported on just this past year.
Okay, fabulous. So I mean, just like in manufacturing circles, if we're creating something tangible, we've got quality control to make sure that we're producing things without defect, right? So I mean, we would call those things that are produced with defects, those are scrap. And so what we're trying to do, the same thing on the learning side, is that if you're not monitoring the quality of the training and the administration of the training, then there's some potential of creating stuff that's defective, that's just not achieving what it is that needs to be done, or driving the outcomes or driving the revenue or producing the results with human performance in the organizations that training program is being ran in. So cool. So this is all the reduction of scrap learning. So who are we here with today?
We're here with the Hawkeye ATD chapter in Cedar Rapids, although it really covers the whole eastern Iowa area, so it's not only Cedar Rapids, but Iowa City and Dubuque and Waterloo and Cedar Falls and all points in between.
Excellent. Okay, so the Hawkeye ATD chapter, and then thank you very much to Nordstrom's for hosting today.
Yes.
And this is a pretty special event because this is inaugural. This is the first launch of you doing this program. This is the very first start.
That's correct. I've been working on this for probably close to 8 or 9 months now.
Right.
And this is my first attempt at pulling it all together and putting it into a presentation and then eventually into a workshop.
And it's a natural extension of the work that you've done for quite a long time now around measurement and evaluation of training programs. So this is the next step in all of that.
That's correct. Yeah, it ties in, exactly with measuring and evaluating, because there are parts of that are part of the whole predictive learning analytics methodology as well. So. But it's moving beyond traditional M&E, and so it's I don't like the term, but it's kind of like the next level.
Right, it's the next level. I got it. Well, very cool. Well, awesome. So we're going to go ahead and tune in throughout the day. So good luck with today's session. We'll see you in a little bit.
Okay. Thanks, Trish.
Bye.
Once you get a blackout, you can turn it in. At the end, get a blackout, so be sure to put your name at the top.